Yeah, there was just a transition that was beginning in my life. And there was something about this design that I really didn't know whether it was just another one of these great inspirational sculptures, or was there more to it than that? I was sitting very quietly one morning and I began to witness thoughts arising and spiraling back from silence back to silence again. And as a sculptor, I thought that would make an interesting design. And it has evolved now to this design here, which I call HOLOS. And this infinite design, to me, represents a symbol for our one humanity. So I had this vision. The vision was that I could generate my city being a city of peace, just from the work that I can do here. And that if my city could do that, then any city could do that. And so I envision people becoming ambassadors for peace and bringing about their cities into this state of cities of peace. All of this body of work that I refer to as art for peace is now moving me forward into a peace builder. And I'm very happy to say that on April 14th of 2015, our mayor, Mayor Lara of Ojai, declared Ojai an international city of peace. And since then, more and more of my friends from around the country are asking me to mentor them so that their cities can begin building a culture of peace. We might feel separate, but we're all essential to the whole. We're all connected at the source.